Iran is seeking to bring an end to the missile attacks on Israel that occurred on Tuesday, October 1. The country has stated that what has happened is in the past, and they do not plan to launch any further missiles. However, while Iran's Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi is calling for restraint, Iran's armed forces are issuing warning with a "what-if" clause. On Wednesday, October 2, Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi posted on X that Tehran had launched the attack on Israel in response to the aggression in Lebanon by Hezbollah and in Gaza. He mentioned that if the Israeli government decides not to retaliate, Iran's actions will stop here. However, if Israel makes any countermoves, Iran's response will be even stronger. Meanwhile, Major General Mohammad Bagheri, the chief of the Joint Staff of Iran's armed forces, has warned that if any more retaliatory actions are taken against Tehran, all of Israel's infrastructure will be targeted. He stated that if Israel continues its crimes or threatens Iran's sovereignty and regional integrity, the retaliation will be several times stronger than the current attack. He also emphasized that the Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps is prepared to strike Israel with even greater force. Additionally, Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei has also threatened larger-scale attacks on Israel. After the missile attack on Tuesday, October 1, Khamenei posted on his X handle in Hebrew that the strikes against the decaying body of the Zionist regime would become stronger and more painful. On Tuesday night, Tehran launched approximately 180 ballistic missiles at Israel, causing widespread panic among the Israelis. This move came after several close allies of Iran in the Middle East were killed in Israeli strikes.